museum exhibit has been blown up by subtle
We're so bored.
temperature.
Oh, kids, don't be so bored. Go play with your pets. But they do nothing. See? Well, then why don't we get a new one? Oh, this is huge. Yep, this is Pet Shop. What are we waiting for? Let's go! Let's go! Hello, what a nice shop you have here. Why, thank you. We're interested in getting a new pet. Oh, we have a selection. Yeah, she needs to be cute. And she needs to be fuzzy. And it needs to be sweet. And awesome! Well, that sounds great. Okay, kids, me and the store owner are going to talk. You need to go look at the pets. Yes, ma'am. There's only one bear. Yeah, I know that. It's funny. Mom? Yes, John? There's only one pet. Only one? Huh, that's weird. I saw like 5 of them this morning. I'll go check it out. Can we come with? Sure. Huh, there is only one. But it was one bear before. Yeah, and now it's a rabbit. Oh, silly girls, what an imagination. No, but it's true. It really was a bear. Oh, kids. They're so cute. It was a bear. Here, you girls make up your mind on the rabbit. We'll go back to the front counter. Okay. We can have the rabbit. We must have been seeing things just before. Yeah, that might be right. Let's go get Mama. Mama? Yes? I think we want the bunny. Wonderful choice. Let's go get that for you right now. Huh? What is that? What? We never got that. What is it? It jumped out. Whoa, how'd you trick us into thinking you were all those other animals, little guy? Oh, can we keep him? Can we keep him? Are you sure you want him? Yes! He's cute. He's not really fuzzy, but that's fine. He's sweet. And he's most definitely awesome! The end.